Yeah, what's up, guys? This is Emosoft, and in this video, we are going to be talking about a website that you can get capital from if you don't have enough capital to trade. Now, one of the major challenges that we normally have in this trading industry, as we all know, is the inability of most people to have get access to capital that are larger thousands of dollars. Because the truth is this: trading with $100, $50 in the forex market or in the crypto market, if you are doing day trading or swing trading, whatever type of trading you are doing, you need enough capital. Because one simple truth that these big traders will never tell you is that you cannot actually use that $50 or $20 in your trading account to make those thousands of dollars you normally see they advertise on YouTube and Instagram. What they use is what we call prop firms. Now, prop firms, what they basically do is that they give you accounts, okay, challenge accounts that you have to pass phase one and phase two. Some of them is just one phase, and after passing this account, abiding by the rules that those prop firms has, you'll be able, they will give you access to funds that were after giving you those funds, whatsoever profit you make from those funds, you will get a profit split. So in this video, I'm going to be revealing one of the most credible one that I am actually using that you can also try out and see if you can pass them. But before you do that, make sure that you're actually a trader and you know what you are doing. You already have a strategy so that you'll be able to pass the phase one and phase two of the profit so that you have access to the funded account. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you like our content, also subscribe. We drop trading ideas, trading analysis, and the whole rest of a lot of information about trading industry that might benefit you if you are into this industry as well. So let's head over to the website. Now, the website, as I said, the company is called Funding Pips. As you can see over here, that it says dashboard. This is actually the platform that I use for my trading, so I don't have to risk entirely my money. I risk their own money, I make profits, and I get profit splits. So, but I'm not going to talk about my accounts. Um, Today I'm just going to reveal into website. So the link, if you want to register for this website on this website, is below this video. So just check the description, also maybe in the pinned comments, and you get access to this website. So it's Funding Pips, and they have series of accounts on their platform. And if you take a look at some of the accounts they have the 5K accounts, and the platform that they are linked to that you can also trade with is Match Trader, C Trader, which is the one I use with Funding Pips, and also you can use Trade Locker, which you can integrate to your trading view. Now they were integrated with a Meta 5, but due to the US regulatory actions as at then, a lot of prop firm got disconnected from Meta quotes, that is Meta 4 and Meta 5, and they had to partner with other trading platforms. So currently, they are partnered with Match Trader, C Trader, and also Trader Locker, which you can link to TradingView. So the one I'm using is C Trader, and that is what I use on daily basis. So the types of account or the account sizes they have that you can get for yourself, they have the 5K account, which compared to what we have out there in most prop firm is actually cheap. And it's not just being cheap, because there are some prop firm that might be cheap but they will not pay, but funding pips have been around for some time and they have been paying. So, and they are referred as to one of the most transparent and easy prop firm, because they don't have so many rules, they don't have a lot of rules, they don't like put trades by themselves in your trading, in your trades, just to make you lose um the challenge as you might see in other scam prop firm. So with the 5K account, you can get it for as low as $32. Now you might be asking, why should I get 5K account with $32? Well, the good thing is that the truth is that if you put in this $32 into your own personal live account, in every trade you place, at least you should be risking like 1% of your trade. But if you are able to if you put this $32 into your own live trading account, you might not be able to risk that much because of the way the market moves. But if you buy this 5K account, it will give you a lot of room to make mistakes and fix them. It will give you a lot of room to have better entries, to give you a lot of space to be comfortable with some kind of drawdown in your trade. So for me, going with Profem is far far better than trading with your own money. All right, so that is just the way I see it. So in the 5K account, there's no minimum amount of days. Like some platform will say, okay, you might have traded up to 7 days before we can pay you, and maybe during those five, maybe the first 5 days you were profitable, then maybe in the sixth, 7th day you started losing money, and definitely you might blow that account and they will not pay you. But funding people don't have any rules like that. If you start making profits from the fifth day, you just know that okay, you can wait till the next week and you start getting paid out. All right. So the maximum daily loss is 5%. So what this simply means is that if you are trading a 5K account, you are not permitted to lose more than $250, okay, in that account in a particular day, okay, in one day. So if you have a drawdown of let's say $200, you can just wait till the time resets, then you go for another trade again. And the maximum loss is 10%. So you are not allowed to lose more than $500 in this 5K account in your entire days of trading. And the good thing, like I said, there's no maximum amount of days. So you can even take just take your time, like 30 days, 60 days, just to pass the account. Some people do pass it in 1 week, some do pass it in 2 weeks. Okay, it all depends on the trading opportunities you see in the market. So there is no rush for anything. That's also another very good um you know another good very good advantage that funding pips also have. So the leverage is 1:100, which is very very okay. It is not too high and also it is not too low. It is just average. Myself, all the trades I do, I use 100 1:100 leverage, both on my live account and also prop firms. So and for the 10K account, if you want to go for something higher, it's just $60. Some firms do charge like $200 or thereabout, but $60. And the most part, it's not even the price. Like I said, the thing that attracts me to Funny Pips is that they are very transparent. If you have issues, their customer care, they fix it as soon as they can, and they pay. That is just the most important thing. So um, as you can see over here, um, okay, let me explain one more thing I didn't explain in this accounts. Okay, there is the phase one and the phase two. All right, this right here, the student phase is the phase one, the practitioner is the phase two. So in the phase one, there's 0 days, no minimum amount of trade, 5% maximum daily loss, then 10% overall maximum overall loss, then profit targets. Meaning, if you are trading this 5K account, phase one, your target is to make $400. All right, in phase one, that is 8%. So if it takes you, let's say, 2 months, if it take you 1 month to make 8%, you pass phase one. Now you move over to phase two. Now in the phase two, all the rules are still the same except for the profit target. The profit target now in phase two will now be 5%. So if you make $250 in phase two, then you will now be eligible to get a funded account. All right. So after you pass phase two, what they will normally do is that you have to do your KYC, which is just as simple as submitting KYC documents. That once it gets verified, then you are given a funded account. Now, in a funded account, any profits you make there, you get um, your own share, to 80% thereabouts. So that is all you need to know about funding pips. If you want to check out the trading rules, you can go to trading rules right here. You see all the trading rules, the IP, inactivity, and the whole rest of them. So these are some of the things that you need to know. You can also chat up their customer care, and if you have any question, they are always online to respond. So this is one of the secrets, guys, that most people are not aware of. In as much as a lot of people are aware of it, but most people who will say, I want to trade Forex, I want to trade Forex, they don't actually know that something like this exists. That is why sometimes when people tell me that, oh, But I want to trade forex, but I don't have capital. I just laugh because the truth is this: what you need to get first of all is the knowledge. Once you have the knowledge and you understand the risk that involve and you are able to handle the understanding the risk is not just enough, but you need to know how to handle those risks. How we all react to risk is very different. So once you know how to react to risks in a particular way, in the right way, and you are able to handle the losses as well, okay, then you can now go for trading forex or trading cryptocurrency or whatever you want to trade. So, but this is just a video showing you that there is actually a way for you to get um, huge capital with little amount of money, with and also with the knowledge that you have about the market. So, guys, this is the video for today. If you love this video and if you love what we do, make sure you do subscribe and also share this video. Drop a comment, like this video, and let's get the community going. God bless.